Hey, scrappy people. Tracy Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of my brand new Weekender collection, plus 4 add-ons. So because this has so much to unbox, I have definitely left everything, all of the stickers on sheets so that we can get through them a little bit faster. But in addition to all of my standard offerings in my collections, there are 4 add-ons that are themed specifically to specific instances for when you travel. There is eating, which I travel to eat. There is staying local. There is like the actual like road trip aspect of it. And then there is like the things that we do. So there's a lot to cover. So let's get started. As always, let me get this out of here. As always, my collections have 20 patterns that are offered on 12 by 12 and Traveler's Notebook size. And in addition to the Traveler's Notebook size for this collection, since it's like a specially themed collection, there are also 6 by 8 sizes. So if you want to do a 6 by 8 travel album, I got you. So let's start with the patterns. They also come on patterned cards, 4 by 6s and 3 by 4s in both orientations. If a pattern comes in a specific orientation on the printable sheets, it will have both for you so that you can print both out, but all of the patterns come on all the orientations. So if you need a horizontal 3 by 4 and a specific pattern, I got you. Let's check these out. So here is the icon paper from the collection. You can see all of the really cool illustrations here. Well, not all of them, but a lot of the really cool illustrations here. We've got a car, like a vintage car. We've got a food truck. We've got a subway. We've got a taxi, buildings. So this collection sort of builds upon my adventure, or no, my Anywhere But Here collection. It has a very similar color palette that will work really well with that collection, but this takes it a little bit more away from like the exotic locales and more into like the city or staying local, things that you would do on like a weekend trip versus a big vacation. So keep that in mind as we go through these papers. Here is a gorgeous coral plaid, multi polka dot. We've got lots and lots of black dots, and then there are little colored dots in there as well. Some icons, some travel icons. We've got a stripe, polka dot. Love the colors in this collection. This is beautiful floral. So fun. The navy in this collection is just gorgeous. We've got an orange and yellow stripe. And then probably my favorite paper from the collection. We've got all these tags and titles and license plates and postage stamps. You don't have to fussy cut these. You can just get the stickers and they're available there as well. But if you are a fussy cutter, this one's for you. We've got a map with some planes flying around, geotags, cameras. Love this rich green. And of course a plaid. Love this floral on green as well. We've got more maps and world symbols. And then I love this map. The 12 by 12 has like more of it. It doesn't really, like the Traveler's Notebook size has to get real skinny. But as my Australian team member pointed out, there is no Australia because there's no way to fit the entire map on here without making it look weird. So I'm apologizing to all of my Australians in advance. Then we have arrows, clouds. I love this grid. So you'll notice that there's not a lot of airplanes because I really wanted this to be a day trip, weekend trip, short trip kind of collection. So there is an airplane in this collection, but it is not the central figure of the collection. And then lastly, here are all of the colors. So we've got the pinky corally reds, orange, yellow, 2 greens, 2 blues, and black. All right. Next, let's check out the Traveler's Notebook signatures. My Traveler's Notebook signatures are a mix of journal cards, actual journaling cards, and alternate colors for some of the fun papers. So this says Wanderlust. Got that floral on yellow. Journaling on a different plaid. There's still so much of this world left for us to see on a map. Go see do. Lots of map motifs in this collection, of course. I love this giant tag. You could put a picture there, you don't have to journal. So this one you can cut up or you can leave it as it is. It says adventures out there, we're going places, collecting memories, so happy to be here. This is my happy place and such a great trip. You can cut this one up or keep it the way it is too. We've got frames and cameras. It says vacation memories down at the bottom. Geotag journaling spot. Pick any direction and let's go. More journaling. Camera paper that's in multicolors instead of just a solid color. And then lastly, the last map. Oh, I love this one. Love this green. So those are the Traveler's Notebook signatures. We've got 2 sets of journaling cards. Each set of journaling cards comes with 2 4x6s and 8 3x4s. They're a mix of journaling cards and, oh, what is this? Oops. Journaling cards and the designer cards with the phrases. So this one says, we live for experiences, not things. And a beautiful floral on the bottom. Then we have cameras. We're going places. Pack a bag and go. We wander to find wonder. Another exciting adventure. Our trip. Let's go somewhere. I think that was set number 2. So set number 1, oh, I don't know. One or the other. This one's either 1 or 2 and that one was either 1 or 2, but they are grouped together like they come. Here we go. Adventure bound. We were here. Currently sightseeing. That was the only one that was upside down, of course. Out and about. Go see do. Bucket list location. The best adventures are together, and explore the city. All right, so let's check out the stickers and then we will move into all of the add-ons. So there are 3 sheets of stickers as per usual. The first sheet is this the first sheet? Yeah. The first sheet is a bunch of word bits and journal bits like I like to include. So we've got some tags up here on the top, Seeker of Adventure, Born to Roam, Wander and Wonder, this is the spot, time to explore, I caught a travel bug, see new places, wild and free, away we go, let's explore, photo op, trip details, go see do, day tripping, tourist mode, soaking it all in, good times, sightseeing, a must see, love this view, let's get lost, say yes to new adventures, collecting memories here and there, and travelogue. So this is actually how my stickers come on full printable sheets. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Sorry about that. They come on full printable sheets. They don't come with the silhouette marks. I added those myself. So they come either with, or they come both with and without fussy cutting lines. So if you don't have a silhouette or a Cricut, then anything that's white will give you guidelines for you to cut around so that you can fussy cut those out. This is sheet number 2. So we've got lots of tags and all of the stuff from that paper. Like I said, you don't have to fussy cut that out if you don't want to, but we've got the postage stamps, tags, the license plates, trip, roam, go see do, holiday, weekend trip, travel often, be a tourist, getaway, adventure, memories, vacation. Then we got some arrows and a camera down here. And then the last sheet is all of the icons. So we've got some little flowers, the skyscrapers, all of the vehicles as well, 2 different frames, the flags and pennants. We've got suitcases and binoculars and more cameras. Let's go. Interstate sign. We were here. There's a little hotel key, some arrows, a map, lots and lots of really cute adorable icons for this collection. Look at those sunglasses. There's a little menu and a guest check as well. Oh, so cute. All right, let's look at the add-ons and then we will transfer over to the computer to check out the digital kit, which is lovely. Okay, so the add-ons. If you purchased my stay home collection for the pandemic, these add-ons are similar. So there is a sheet of cards and a sheet of stickers per each add-on. So each add-on has 4 3x4s and 1 4x6 and an entire sheet of stickers that are themed for specific parts of going on vacation. So this one is We Were Here, and it sort of encompasses all of like the things that you do on vacation without being so specific that, you know, if I put zoo on there and you didn't go to the zoo, you can't use it. So again, we're not getting too specific here, but it helps you to tell the story of going certain places. So let's start with the cards. We have, I Just Want to See It All. This place is iconic. Doing a little sightseeing, travelogue, and this one has admit one stickers or tags. No, tickets. That's what I was going for. Tickets in the background. So there are 2 journaling 3x4s and 2 designer 3x4s, and then the 4x6 is also going to be a designer 4x6. So then we have on this side we have titles on the bottom. So souvenirs, must see, sightseeing, explore, be a tourist, highlight, we're here. So much to see. There's 2 labels here, and again, these haven't been cut out, but these are white on the bottom. Ticket, go see, do, so you can write on this one all of the details. Bucket list, we finally made it, totally epic, loving this place, adventuring, greetings from here. Admit one, general admission, tourist, this place is magic, this view, going places, and then lots and lots of journaling blocks for you to tell your story. So this one is We Were Here, which is telling of the places you went. This one is Off We Go, which is talking about the actual trip. So we've got We're off to great places, enjoy the journey, away we go, losing our way to feed our soul, en route, and time for a road trip with that fun car. And then all of the stickers, away we go, road trip, and off we go, let's do this, adventure bound, car selfie, trip snacks, pit stop. We've got a couple of icons here. Explore the back roads, taking the scenic route, have a nice trip. Roam the open roads, life is a grand journey, collecting adventures. I wonder if the open road misses me too. The journey is part of the destination, time to explore, hit the road, journey en route. I was born to roam. So you can see that each of the add-ons, the sticker sheets are not the same. In fact, I have a lot of similar things, but like I didn't use these travel letters in this. So they're all different. You're not going to get a lot of repetition here. You know me, I don't like to make my stuff repetitive. I like it all to be unique and beautiful and stand on its own. So that's what we've got going on here. The next add-on is Around Town. So this one's about staying local. We've got Who Knew There Was So Much to Do Around Town, Be a Hometown Tourist, Not So Far From Home, one of our favorite local places, Explore Local. And then all of the stickers. We've got Around Here, I Heart Local, Staycation, Our Town. You can't find this anywhere else. Didn't even know this was here. So that's for like discovering hidden gems in your own town. Now open, new place. This was so fun. New experiences, favorite place. Exploring the area, love it here. Our neighborhood. Exploring familiar places with new eyes. Discover near places. New in town, local fave, around town. Love this town, special event. Discover, city bound, season passes, close to home. Admit one. Wander close, explore local, chill spot, day trip, night out. This one has a lot of words on it. And we've got some labels as well. And then the last one, my favorite one, is food. Oh man, I travel to eat. I love planning my entire vacation around food. 10 of 10, would eat here again. And then it says yum in the background. Absolutely delish. Guest check. Will travel for food. Good eats. And then all of the stickers on this one. Sweet treat, tasty eats, so delish, we ate here. I plan trips around the food, meal ticket, food stories, yum, delish, yum. First we take the photo, then we eat the food. Eat well, travel often, mouth-watering, unexpected treats, hole in the wall eats, enjoying happy hour. Here for the food, delicious, good eats, so yummy, best meal ever. We ate this, 10 of 10, would eat here again. Good food, good mood. This meal was an experience. Sorry, I was hangry. Street food is the best. This was a hidden gem. Tasty food truck finds. Enjoying this meal. Recommended by locals and taking a foodcation. Yes, I love food, and you can tell with this add-on. So those are all of the printables for the Weekender collection. Let's head over to the computer and I will show you all of the digital embellishments. All right, so the Weekender digital kit comes with 20 patterned papers, the 20 patterned 12 by 12 papers and 10 solids, plus those 3 alphas down there in the bottom right corner that you can see. Those are actually really easy to print and cut as well because they are just rectangles, plus over 100 embellishments. There's like 110-ish embellishments. There are clear stickers, chipboard, puffy stickers, florals. There's a mix tape in there that's super fun. There are arrows and different tags and tabs. It's just, it's so full of fun stuff. And I especially love, which is really hard to see in these previews because it's buried, but there is some really cool mixed media that you're gonna see in my video on Sunday using this collection as well. It's you can kind of see it there right next to the alphabet. That little camera in the background is attached to some paint. There are arrows, there are those clear sticker titles with the big color blocks. Those are also available in stamps, so you can print and cut those directly onto your page if you want to. It's just so fun. This collection is so beautiful and colorful. I love how it matches the Anywhere But Here collection, both of which, these are both on sale 40% off this weekend for National Scrapbooking Day, so you can pick up both if you want to mix and match. The Anywhere But Here collection has a little bit more of a travel, like far off places kind of vibe, so these will work really perfectly together. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci and Rita. I'd love to see you over there as well. There is a link to the Weekender collection in the description box below. There will be a YouTube hop up on Sunday with a ton of inspiration for the team, so keep an eye out for that. And I will see you next time. Thank you.